or the Asempanabo, 24 hour no job, or the Asempanabo, 24 hour no pay, or the Asempanabo, 24 hour for missing few. Edianum said the moon Mr. President, and come about Ghana and Sam TV. So, one more is over like video, never subscribe to the channel. So, there are videos of this nature. But next time, we'll be now. Also, watch your comment section. Channel on the media. Till Mona Yasum, Madarama. Necessary, I mean, no Casay. Actually, for more Ghana high, you recruit to about 2024 during NPP time in a patrol, Omunyo staff ID. When you're the staff ID, so I keep you by from 2024 till now. And a same way, a same was same a was same a put the same. If we say, Ghana, you just Ghana, you just political party. It's a better than signing up to the chair for all because the new patriotic party and the recruiting war, and this is about power there, and the young show many year and more important if you. The patriotic chair was a money mudia. Me koma kola jomse me kotomo money abe madi. Come the money de me kaka. Me kotomo money bi madi. Na me koye na ma me na otomo money ma me say what say. Yes church for no your form probably some na be NDC for very high. E say no nti no. Yera John Dramani Mahama, Minister for Education, and other big men in the party see there be and him bully wo mo say na be a mo be frustrated. Had they just near the amount. Ya just yana enkan so a authentic just na higher the man wadaroma. Some of them more did that. Ghana and TV, because Jubilee House, one year, Jubilee House, and 1 year. If I do go Jubilee for left, I start to 1 year. It's information alleged information and say, you are John Dramani Mahama, and in a menu cool. And when you say teachers for no more, probably some NPP for very high because NPP for the employer of Italia, you bully warm. It's from 2024 at church for a recruiting woman, one, Omunyo staff ID. 2 omo manya mo staff ID so ya katwa kwampo emai iti imagine 2025 nyina ebesi sabri ebi mu papafo some of them are parents, I mean some of them are fathers, some of them have responsibilities in their various families. The more work kwampo sabi omo na breadwinners of their family. Iti imagine so a breadwinner of your family obuso for aton koko e dia hwe suku e wo university koye education nebra betira de ni yentwi aka na so peka krafa brief if na fie fom fandidi na afa de for afe ene bosumi mienu na economy ensa so obusofo ni da so bra na behwe yen na aban twi awoka me pato hu ma me ko be fili sai teachers from Morgan ha ekọ ya omu Nira Mahama teachers for recess and be say me say omo se dey panomai as a wo track record of hatred towards teachers. Now you Ghana na make us mention na tie me Ghana ha say achirachire for papa. Actually, for input in Ghana's economy, actually for input in the state of this nation, actually for input on the influence of the thoughts of the ordinary Ghanaian is something that we can't move away with. It is like about people so not so on fact actually for any serious. Me na me come here me ya e na me bush nyam hye ma wo mo. If you say a problem medical doctor ye chire ni ya o. Sakra obey pilot ye chire ni ya. So I can obey Chechenia. In fact, obey good politician quite Chechenia. The entire, in fact, NDC for member of parliament, or Muntimin Cabo for Papa of Parliament from me, yes, suspect said, maybe a normal church for no munya or mono. In fact, maybe an ayaka. And the Amiana may imagine, if we say, so we students now be improving a partner only good teacher, I mean, a high lower chances. It's in a damping the influence and the impact of teachers in the lives of our children. It's your parents. What your best school fees on school and but teacher in the be over children or the curriculum and bachelor crana de Jobanian sound match or badiana and to cover in and to come and come near fight it together. And was with the emphatayan and was emphatal my way. At a chef watch there more than 12 months, 13 months, Mommy and Cambodia and Jomsi come from Nira John Dramani Mahama, 13th of this month. Ghana teacher for Muncho Mukina Somoko demonstration. We will rally behind them. They deserve to be paid. They deserve to be fed. They also have families. They have people that are depending on them. Let's contribute together. Let's come together with our voices so that people or teachers are paid. Medasi.
that staff ID. We are different memoir to us, but Daniel Edu, also a leader for 2024 recruited teachers without staff ID. We are different from Eugene Zoranu Mudianana.
Yo, my pacho medasi. Pacho, you know, a different in the sense that you know, a binary may staff ID. Nanka ya friend who say, yeah, teachers of GES are Agyeta too. In the end, you staff ID. Nanka ya can't salary any arrest won't go attempt. Senya and maybe more friend I eating on Komoma, or friend Professor NSDB, Director General.
Oh, I'm afraid Professor not only eating Komono.
But unfortunately, you like a cat in your kind means namely.
Now, afterwards, no what me alcohol said and your mabisiaco.
That's it. If I saw last week, your call, and you call it back because me leader and a yin say, you papa come in the H1. The call no senior deputy directors, our music for many a better sign. I can't say you pay a document and come HR because of move meeting. The yen staff adequately, internet say you follow up. Your call when HR office, director in office. On my HR say, director in Saka, the document in ya, on Bedi Hutuma, San or catching, say in the crew, say in the crew. Now, so this in the Kentin and Ra, it's one among your calling the same story. Don't mind you who say, send your corner. I say, I say, ye cover in Pebia or Moon, a D. Sajuma, Amani and Saka staff fighting. Then I teachers now, you're winning, you're imparting knowledge to students. Yeah, brain, I was happening soon. Yeah, just say, you need to say, no, Sunday, you because you're getting to say, hey, Chibia, idea, on Basansu, every easy staff ID, any clearance in the time you made it. And so you're saying, washing.
I see, but Mugusu Trade.
Me party Busucha, the menu can say, and me quack or immigration. Me quack a master exam for Form 2 Science. Me quack or immigration, and I'm in theater only me better thing. Making time in Africa. Now you use my paper, and you say,
Bussiana de Cuscudana.
Pacho, a dear Bussia, if you see Uncle Betia, but I say, oh, you ever faka, a rehosen, Kepa, mine, a rehosen. As the Yamima from the class 3, you come, Grana, you want to make a channel. You must make a channel.
Busum is sending to Yauka.
Pacho, Busum is doing 9 years in Tiaeka.
1 year, 2
months. 10 months, it be 12 months. In Tiaeka, now so send your more than imagine. Say a cat in year, you won't say any down, and I won't pay any film. Any system, what bra, Yasu December 2025. I'm almost half I did your mocha. You wish you have Fabino. Now, here dear Banner say, you're done a foreigner. You're done a four. You're bonny, I say, you're coaching idea, or one can say idea. Now, Professor, a county, or chair idea will use it in Winneba, any college of education. Say, you're member Radian, you're bonny, I say, you're too much honor. Bonny Ben Fanny, you're more can say. Because document as I say, I have validating, and then it is okay. You are validating. You have been validated. You posting letters. Posting letters after validation. Posting letters. If you also after validation, they were already at school. They have all the. They should come to our schools to check. If we are not teaching, all the records. Records will talk for us. The Aden sir. Yes, sir. Director General, Minister of Finance, Minister of Finance, Minister of Education, Honorable Aruna Idrisu. Panicho, baby.
Okay, you
young fools so be by say, Obi, offices, say HR office, Greater Accra HR office to be specific. And the ones have been documented. Are we the ones to suffer for it? If it's an internal issue, are we the ones to suffer for it, as you were saying? We have been validated. We have all the documents. Some person the code we will prove it. IPPD documents now. We have everything. If you want so much, then when you get free, I'm person back and crash Ghana for.
Okay, so young call on a shadano so if say in near dance here, ABI will show money ye or musuni or mobile or mokasebi ampa, but meaning to Mohasa. The here and say for 12 months, for 14 months, for 10 months, Daniel Edu, any Ninuanum, any colleagues. Actually, Ghana this year Aden through Ghana Education Service by Intio Moka. A whole very important for us to concentrate on. When your audience with the Minister of Education.
Me pacho debi, dinya audience. Yen chief in free militancy, yen chief in free director. Apart from Tony Ukasa, yen chief in free BIO. Ghana yitu wana mo call. That is last week any Andra. The same story now.
Na GS4 issue statement be to that effect, Anna.
But I say
GS4 issue statement be on Monioma Baba Apiana.
Me but Obian issue she Obian can she.
Okay, Danny Mesa about Eugene Zoranu.
The same group. But Akoba say be mo sika na ebimu eda so enyo Mustafa then am I say you ache. But everything be on the as the national organizer. I am between one and moment but in the same time, Ghana for United say, young funny be especially greater Accra for Momunia staff ID. A greater Accra HR and 1 year you because we judge on document have to be I want submit. Now, maybe say, and me also say Ghana maybe the best sorry 8 years animal politicians someone sorry 8 years animal. So be onion a jume now we did you to go. Now, why now? Also, we need
but Eugene Wadarma, Aden Amutimi a jump into such a conclusion. Is that what authorities
me can be a director general for Greater Accra year meeting. It need to be. On my head, as I say, your friend is on submit document. Emma, your first one minister I don't know. Now, or fair women in San Calmo. But on the real, she said, you say, genius, your channels of communication. Who is your teacher? And I want to Kenya. I was so fair in school. Now, catch my headmaster say, oh, me shall see teaching me phone a duty friend, mamma, school. The Nippon in school, no, the Nippon in school. One fair teacher, one fair headmaster, and one can't say, we shall teach any women in San Cabo. Now, I submitted documents, AJ more honor. Yes, I had a Mudian, so you are submitting or you are submitting man, now I run. Daniel Mudian or Master Mitam about Iran. Not only have to do Bona, and come from now on San Cabo, about 2 days. Evaluation go forward documents in the Fabra. We see who went to WhatsApp material. And the person is still in the office receiving monthly salary. All in the name of the fact or political backing or political protection, or paying do a bema, or that first or that from above it. Now, I can't check on a phone and say, and maybe the bar and maybe the so a trauma. In penny for our politicians, or money able to come off.
Because minim say mesumi chechi mesumi say odwumani bia se fatana ketua nti anibere na aba wan hwe na ma wo kasa bia koka calm down erade hu nyina mobo adwenbon de metiwase but emma ho kwan because frustration desperation can lead to a lot of things and that's why you want an opportunity to speak to the hearing of aid authorities are relevant for this conversation. It's worrying because say anyway the last time I checked Dani Kasa Professor Eba Education Service Ghana Education Service Obekasai na ne kasa no krana no Professor Eba Education Service Ghana Education Service Obekasai na ne kasa no krana me kai wa hobrasem said no it's not encouraging. You know, it doesn't give hope for a teacher for but I don't know. Professor Riff, say a teacher for no a basic foundation for the growth of this country's development. But Okasafa and Hoodies are so let's not even go there, say or political backing or any political. The point is that a mabuna wana kojentiti wa dichirimu na omgusu chire ye madie. Na ebi bosumi edu mienu bosumi edu nine bosumi edu nsia whichever way no yentua omoka the danger for all of us as a country and say the edikai no ebu abem say obi ekoye chirechire ni a ofa kwati kwan hodo nyina so to make sure say obenya sika ese onya ebu ya bem. 2 esoso keta hye ne proye so. You know, esoso keta hye ne proye so de toso miensa. Ye nyina ye te omanim na ye nhwehwan sa enuntina Eugene edi ani brani ahomti aka se insuo beta ponkyereni wa anye careful obeje wo no a recipe for chaos, and that chaos no definition is difficult to define. It may seem in as much as I understand perfectly 1 month to kura waketi ambaya and 1 7 year jumaketwa na amanfo nso dan mo yire nom mo busuafo mo maame mo papa no mo nuanum bia mo so pese mo supportive of them na mo mtime bua mo enti mesremo I will only say we your partner mo in this, and we have also done a lot of checks. Here Kofi Asan, me producer. Wa pima. It's interesting when people hold public office and their reaction and their response to us as citizens. They forget that soon somebody will come and sit on it, or before them there was somebody. Enti misremo na what you in yem prayer who say ibe who say same when sibre.
But beyond Nyayakoye and the 13th of this month, you have police approval. You have a demonstration. Now, demonstration will be a CMA Ministry of Finance. Honorable Kefela to force OTSA. Yeah, but you kete, you mattresses, you pillow airba. See a banner on one MP, but I'm the Kabi and Chaya. Yes, I think because only mean the 2 institutions car, no one Chabako in Jabako. Yes, you deserve to see a Sabakesika. And the 13th, you are not for Betty and Kaida Domosomo.
Well, Eugene Zoranu, national organizer